Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm talking to you about a tool that helps us fix dents. It doesn't actually fix any dents, but it helps us in our assistance. So this is actually a hood prop rod. This is actually made out of full carbon fiber and it's got rubber bumpers on the ends and it's adjustable. So I simply push in this pin here and I can lock it into different heights to set the hood at different positions. This allows me to hold the hood, or actually to stabilize the hood, and then I use this ratchet strap here that I can hook into the hood latch here and tie it down to the radiator support or somewhere similar. The one thing that is nice about this, like I said, is there's a lot of adjustability, and it's got these rubber pads on here that's not going to scratch the painted hood surface or the plastics here. So I got a couple different options for prop rods, but this is just one of the many, and this is probably, I think, the biggest one that I've got that will actually allow me to prop the hood up as far as possible and stabilize it. So if you've got any types of dents or dings that you need fixed on your vehicle, feel free to visit our website at siouxfallsdentrepair.com. We'll see you on the next one, and thanks for watching.
Visit our website at siouxfallsdentrepair.com.